This is my head. I don't feel like doing it. Facts. I don't feel like doing it. And I came in here. I was going to be in my salon and do all this stuff. And my daughter has all kind of stuff out of order. And I had to come in here and just clean up. I don't know about you and what you do, but when I don't feel inspired to do my hair, I go right into the shower. And that's where I shampoo it and do all that. Now, if I'm going to come out with my lashes, I don't know. But we go into the shower, so let's go. Let me just say this. I'm happy my baby is following in my hair footsteps. But I need her to clean up after herself, okay? I need her to, baby, I don't know what state board she gonna pass. The sanitation, baby, my $300-400 curling irons, blow dryers. She putting them on the floor and like on top of stuff. Like, maybe you don't have no kids, but I got kids. And I have daughters. And they be in my shit. And I'm sensitive about my so, as you see, I'm clowning around because I really don't feel like doing my hair. And now I'm about to take a shower. I have to take a shower anyway, but girl, I have gel and stuff in my hair. And baby, I done ran around all day with my hair looking like this. So we gotta get her together, baby, because I'm about to lose everything. My man, my house, my children, they've been looking at me crazy. Everything like, bitch, you don't live here no more.
When we hooked up, we sat down, made an agreement. We vowed that we'd always be together through whatever. We said that no one would ever get between us. This love will never, ever leave us. That was a while ago. But now lately, it feels like, I feel like what we do is fight every single night. Can't make time, can't get it right. I just wanna go back, take it way back, all the way back. Can we start again, do it over? Can we straighten it out, can we work it out? Cause I don't wanna be.
Alright, so we are shampooed. I always leave my conditioner in while I'm bathing. And I'm gonna add a little bit of one and only argan oil. And kind of like towel dry my hair a little bit. And then I guess I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it and all that. So this robe is from Walmart. I think I paid less than $12 for it. The brand is Joy Spun, I think. I'll tag it. Super comfy. And for days when I don't feel like doing my hair, this is what I'm going to put on. I'm actually going to smell like the new J'adore. That's what I'm about to spray. Because, baby, I need that incentive while I'm doing my hair. And plus, I just like to smell good. You will never catch me smelling. Everybody else just be like, oh, that shit's so good. Lord. But J'adore. I'm haphazard, honey. I'm going to go ahead and use my dress that I had on to get up the water off the floor. Because I don't know what the towel's at. Shit. Looking for a towel in this house is like, never mind. I've already placed a little bit of my one and only argan oil on here. Baby, I'm surprised these lashes held on, baby. They like a good bra. They just, they're State Farm. State Farm is there. So this right here is some Paul Mitchell because I am going to blow dry and I am going to straighten my hair. So I have not combed through my hair. This is pretty much my curls. I did dry cut my hair. Ooh, it was before Easter. It was before Good Friday. And I might need to go in and just kind of like spot check because I never did. I just cut it and I ain't never really straightened it to see. So that's what we doing today. Tuesdays is hair days, Fridays is fashion, and then you get a vlog in between. Because I got to get back to the schedule. This scheduled program. So I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair. Kind of like pull it into, I could just sit under the dryer because baby, who don't feel like blow drying is me. But, child. Like I always gotta do something. I used to love twisting my children's hair. That's just how we gonna section it. Make sure that if you have any questions or anything about like thin versus fine hair, or just any hair questions in general, drop it in the comment section and I will answer them in a video for you. Where we at, y'all? We ain't that long no more. Like I said, we didn't cut, but I feel like a lot of people don't want to hear this, but when your hair is fine or thin, having long, bone straight hair just makes it look even thinner and finer. So you have to play with some texture, honey. You gotta add some layers or some texture, or you got to do something, child. You can't be running around here just flat. Okay. All right. This how she looking. I might as well go ahead and moisturize my face for the night. Because, baby, texture is hereditary. And, baby, we working on self. We working to be better, right? We don't need him to come home tonight. And, I mean, even though he probably about to mess up my hair. Shit, him, it's probably about to be me that's going to mess up my hair. No, I'm just playing. Anyways, TMI. We're going to edit that out, TMI. All right, now I'm going to put a little agave on my lips. And let's get into the head. I was getting some head. Girl, I absolutely just need to fix me a glass of wine. That's the only way I'm making through this hair. That's the only way. Girl, we're gonna probably have to style her tomorrow. Just straighten her tonight and style her tomorrow. Child who ain't 40. Damn. What movie was that from? Salute. We had a whole, what was that? We had a whole total eclipse today, honey. Salute. Oh, that's good. That's gonna help me finish my hair, friend, because we had a whole total eclipse today. The animals and everything. It was 2 geese outside going crazy, child. Let's go finish our hair, because I keep telling you, I really don't feel like doing my hair. Is it showing? I think it's showing, friend. I think it's showing.
Love me, love me, love me. Yeah. Love me. Come on, rude boy, can you get it up? Take it. Come on, rude boy, you should big enough. Take it. Tonight I'ma let you be the captain.
I know you lie. Y'all hear that? Baby, do you hear the hail, the thunder, the lightning? Child, the one day out of the whole week when I decided to straighten my hair, we got a total eclipse and a hailstorm all in the same day. I feel like Jody's stepdaddy and baby boy. Where's the wine and shit? Where's the wine and shit? Girl, I ain't inspired at all no more. I was already struggling. Honey, this is gonna be a get ready with me to not do my hair. Do my hair. Okay, God, okay. Baby, one of my press-ons, I pushed the cuticle back too far, and baby, when I say it hurt, she hurt, but it'll loosen up in like a day. I think this is the Nano 2200, or it's just like just one of those. All of FHI's blow dryers cut your drying time in half, literally. It don't matter if you have thick, thin, like seriously, it cuts your drying. Go to FHIheat.com. Now my children have took all my unbrushes. That's where you get the unbrushes from, but go to FHI.com. All right, filming this the second time because I don't think you filmed the first time. So we are dry. Baby, if she would be this thick, we wouldn't have no problems, but she want to be all fine, thin. Baby, the way it's storming here. Man, if I could get Beau to like massage me tonight, that would be amazing. But here's the thing. He massage, but he can't just stop there, you know? And I'm that person, when I get massaged and I'm really relaxed, I fall asleep. I ain't trying to wake up to all that. If it ain't good enough, baby, sir, I'll work harder. He, you know, pumping every minute. Girl, I just want to go to sleep. I don't want to taste the wine and you give me the pleasure. Close the door, we do whatever. I don't want to do none of that. Damn. So I just have to go pay to get a massage. How you know I'm getting old? Because earlier I was talking all that shit, talking about something. He gonna mess up my hair. No, it's gonna be me. Now I'm in here talking about. I just need him to massage me and go to bed. Baby, I trip my own damn self out. Okay. All right. Yes, I do put about a dime sized amount when I'm getting ready to press. So I put heat protectant prior to the blow dry, and then I put heat protectant prior to the press. I want to go get one of my either my Paul Mitchell or my FHI flat iron, but I got my Bliss Baby Pro here. Baby, she just gets so hot, honey. Even on the low, she's still the devil. I'm mad. I mean, I'm not mad it's raining. It's a beautiful thing because we really needed the rain. Had storming out there, but on the day I go to press my hair, then it's hell and then my car not even pulled in. I guess.
Oh, you feel that fire?
I guess.
Let it burn. There's no running. When it's your turn, call me crazy, but I think I found just let it burn. Let it burn. Just let it burn. Let it burn. Call me crazy, but I think I found the love of my life.
We're done, finally. Baby, it took me all day. It's 9:29. 9:29. But it's done. So tonight I will set it on rollers. That way it'll get a little volume. I guess, let's see, length. About here. So, and it's layered. So let me show you. My shortest layer start here. It's long layered and it goes down. That's why it kept the length, but it gave me some texture to my hair, which is perfect because who don't want some play to their hair? You know, I'm not a, I like bone straight, but baby, I want to have a little, I ain't trying to be flat like a pancake, okay? So I hope you enjoyed. catch the next hair video on Tuesday, 7 p.m. Actually, let's move it to 5. Tuesday, let's move it to 6. Tuesday, 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. I usually upload at 7, so we can do 6. We can go up an hour, but I'll drop it on Tuesday. And this Friday you can catch a fashion video or a vlog, whichever one. But tune in Friday, same time. Thank y'all for watching. Mwah. Love you, honey. The way I want to get my jacuzzi tub, and I know better because I just let me show you. I got a little hang time. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. I got a little something. Honey. She might not be a lot, but she was cut. So, deuces. Ain't no pity party. I don't sorry. Ain't never change. No.